In this series, what we're talking about is what's new in Teamcenter's latest release, Teamcenter 2512. Siemens recently dropped this in December of 2025, and this release includes a big update to both the architecture as well as the user interface of the active workspace environment. So, what we're going to be doing in here is we're going to be talking about new features. We're going to break it down into different modules. So, we'll start with foundational objects that have been updated. We're going to talk about architectural things that have been updated and kind of point and show different things that we have noticed in both Deployment Center as well as the services. So, if you're a user, stay close to the fundamental side of the house. If you're an administrator, go to the admin section and so on and so forth. But we hope you enjoy this What's New in Teamcenter 2512.